So today I gotta take off my bed, possibly take off my bed. But mainly I'm gonna be taking off the drawer system because my bed is coming off the frame somehow. So I have to figure out what is going on with that. So stay tuned to that. So I have a terrible garage, and I have no idea where anything is anymore. So this project is gonna take a little longer than usual. Like, as you can, like, all my camping stuff is just thrown about, and it's been a long freaking 2 years, you know. But I gotta find what I need. And I think it's like 2 or 3 tools to get the deck system off. Because I'm hoping that I don't need to take off the CBI rack and tent, because that's going to be a freaking hassle. So, try to see what I need. Come on, like my little nicks, my knickknacks and paddywhacks. Yeah, so I need to take this whole thing off. Hopefully I don't gotta take that off. Hopefully I don't have to take my wonderful Toro off-road CVT tent. Yeah, so it's each bolt down the middle, and then I think there's some up there, and then these hooks come off. Always freaking leave off. These hooks come off. So I gotta empty. Oh my goodness, there's just so much stuff in here. I gotta empty all this stuff out. A collapsible dog bowl. Oh, this is needed. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun and dandy. Kit has a little axe, shovel, some trim, a limb saw, and I think these are wire cutters. And there was a Gerber in there, and then there's a flashlight right there. I got it like freaking years ago. It's still there though. Twice. Random tools from my old tent. whatever these are called. So, for openers, so this is what I usually keep in there. I used to have a lot more stuff in here. I need to clean this thing out. It's this thing's definitely been places. Got my hose in here for my OG water port with their OG logo. Actually, those used to be gray, if I remember correctly. They used to be gray. Yeah, okay, this is a little bit more weight reduction, bro. Alright, so now it's time to get all these bolts off with this freaking thing, since I can't freaking put in my drill. I don't have an attachment for it, so this is gonna be fun. I'll probably just speed up the video for y'all so you don't have to deal with me going super slow. So we figured out, or I figured out what's going on with my bed constantly moving when I'm off-roading and junk. So this little happy camper right here is just chilling. Look, he's completely loose. Look, just like up in there. But wait, there's more. There's so much more on why my bed was doing what it was doing. On the left side, the driver's side of the vehicle, we have this. There's not even a bolt in the hole, bro. Like this, like those. There's no bolt, bro. How does this even happen, man? Like this explains so much of all the noises that my truck or the back of the truck does when I'm off-roading and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this before